In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a column in Google Sheets. Freezing a column is a simple way to keep important information like names or IDs visible while you scroll across large spreadsheets. This helps you compare data quickly without losing track of what each row represents. Let's walk through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First, open your Google Sheets document and take a moment to identify the column you want to keep fixed. This is the column you never want to lose sight of when you scroll horizontally. For many people, that's the first column with labels, but it can be any column you rely on frequently. Now, here's the key detail. Click on the column letter directly to the right of the column you want to freeze. For example, if you want to keep column A visible at all times, click the letter B at the top of the sheet. If you want to keep columns A and B fixed, click the letter C. You're selecting the boundary that tells Sheets how far to freeze. You'll know you clicked correctly if the entire column highlights and the column letter shows as selected. Next, go to the View menu in the top toolbar. This is where Google Sheets keeps options for how your sheet is displayed. In that menu, choose Freeze. You'll see a few choices appear. From those options, select Up to Current Column, and you'll notice it lists the column letter you just selected. For instance, if you clicked B, it will say Up to Current Column, B. That means everything from column A up through column B will stay locked on the left as you scroll. If your intention was to freeze only column A, make sure the option shows Up to Current Column, B, before you click it, because that's the correct choice for freezing just A. Once you've made that selection, test it. Scroll horizontally across your sheet. The frozen column should stay anchored on the left, while the other columns move. This visual confirmation tells you the freeze is in place and working as expected. If you don't see the option you expect, double-check that you clicked the column letter at the top, not a cell within the sheet. Also, remember that the freeze applies to your current sheet tab, so repeat these steps on other tabs if needed. That's it. With your column frozen, you'll navigate wide data sets more easily and keep your context intact while you work.